Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn on two-step verification on your Telegram account. You're going to be learning how you can be able to enable two-factor authentication in your Telegram account. Telegram is a popular messaging app known for its security and privacy features. One of the essential security measures is the two-step verification or the two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of protection to your Telegram account. Enabling two-step verification ensures that even if someone knows your password, they cannot access your account without the verification code. So in this guide, I'll walk you through the simple step or the simple process of enabling two-step verification or two-factor authentication. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap your Telegram app to open it. So let me tap on this now to open it. So guys, once your Telegram app opens up, the next step you have to take is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left corner. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see settings. You can see it's right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do next now is to scroll downwards. So let me scroll down. So guys, now under the settings, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see privacy and security. You can see it right there, privacy and security. So let me tap on it. So guys, now under the security, what you have to do now is to tap on the first option, which is two-step verification. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, two-step verification. You can set a password that will be required when you log in on a new device, in addition to the code you get via SMS. So guys, now you can see you can actually set a password in addition to the SMS code that will be sent to you. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see set password. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now what you have to do now is to create a password. So let me go ahead now to type in the password that I want to put. So guys, now you can see I've created my password. I've inputted the password already. My password contains both alphabets, symbols and numbers. So guys, now what I have to do now is to tap on the next icon. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step, re-enter password. So guys, you have to re-enter the password to be sure that it is correct and that you know it. So let me input it right away. Let me re-enter it. So guys, now you can see I've re-entered the password. So let me tap on next. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see the next step, password hint. You can create an optional hint for your password. So guys, if you want to create a hint, something that will enable you to remember your password, you can go ahead now to input it there. But if you don't want to do that, you can actually tap on skip. You can see where it is written skip right there on the left hand side. So I will tap on skip because I don't want to create an optional hint. I can easily remember my password anytime. So let me tap on skip. So guys, you can see the next step, recovery email. You can set a recovery email to be able to reset your password and restore access to your Telegram account. So guys, what I'll do now is to input an email. Let me just go ahead now to do that real quick. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my email address. This is the email address I want to use as my recovery email. So let me tap on next. Let me tap on that place. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, verification code. To complete two-step verification setup, check your email. Don't forget the spam folder and enter the code we just sent you. So guys, Telegram have sent me a code in my email, the email I just inputted right now. So what I will do now is to go and get the code and paste it here. So let me go and copy it right away. So guys, I've gotten the code, so let me go ahead now to type it in. So guys, now you can see I've inputted it. Wow guys, you can see what's written there, password set. This password will be required when you log in on a new device, in addition to the code you get in the SMS. So guys, now you can see it right there. So let me tap on return to settings. So guys, now this is how you can be able to actually turn on two-step verification on your Telegram account or two-factor authentication. So guys, now you can see it right there. You can see where the arrow is pointing. Two-step verification is now on. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, do well to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this, you're gonna get notified. See you on the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.